Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about MediAssist, a smart healthcare chatbot built upon NLP and with a support system of cloud as its storage device, and which provide what MediAssist is actually. It's an NLP-based chatbot which provides instant healthcare assistance, moreover offers preliminary healthcare support, suggestions, and also helps you book some appointments for the same clinic or the hospital, and retrieves the records of your past visits and drug prescriptions whenever required. It works 24/7, just with a single click of a button. After following the index, some key features that I would like to share about my MediAssist would be it's an AI-powered symptom checker. Usually, what happens is the traditional models used only went by the rule book. It had to spot some options, but it's AI-powered symptom checker. It's available 24/7 across the clock. It has cloud as its base medical storage instead of traditional DB, which used to take more time and less encrypted and safe. It has automated appointment scheduling systems, which help it's build a safe site for even a business opportunity. Thing is, you can book your appointments for clinics, doctors, and hospitals through the clock. It has multi-language support, which helps you navigate through any issue you encounter at any stage of the process while you're surfing to the app. Last will be data privacy and the security it provides. To understand how it works, we must understand the functionality flow. So a user interacts with the chatbot when it visits the site. He speaks about his symptoms. The NLP layer, which has an engine which is wrapped around a symptom checker, it finds for the keywords. It uses its cloud-based services to prepare a decisive insight and suggest it to the nearest available doctor. Now, this doctor should also provide a counter prescription or a suggestion, and this is also carried out to the cloud. And this AI-driven suggestions communicate with each other and finally provide you with an action to be done. And also, at the end of the story, you have to provide a feedback about how the things work, and this feedback will help you gain more attention towards your own problem, and also thereby helping the model grow and become finer and better. So if you compare it with the traditional approach that was existing earlier and the model which I have now, traditional apps are mostly rule-based, and MediaAssist is, however, powered by AI and NLP and offers automatic and cloud-sensed facilities. It ensures capable building, scalable, portable, at the same time highly secure and encrypted because it uses advanced security protocols like blockchain to safeguard the patient's data. Now, if I discuss about how the system is protected, it's basically made up of 5 basic layers if I divide it into, and it's a pretty sturdy and integrate-friendly architecture that can pass to any testing or user practices that we traditionally follow in software engineering. So, it also supports clinical modes and not just hospital modes, and that's a brownie point for us. From a technical standpoint, I feel that using Python and Django, Python as a coded language and Django and Flask as a backend, with TensorFlow and Hugging Face for using LLM-based APIs, and further which we can use React and Flutter for the front end. Use MongoDB, NoSQL-based, of course, and Firebase for our DB, which helps in fast retrieval because healthcare is something which needs fast retrieval. So document-based or JSON-based formats are the fastest. And for the storage, we could use cloud, be it AWS, Azure, and GCP. Google provides larger storage, and AWS provides faster fetching data. So we have to find the Pareto optimal solution here to get in contact with end users. And on the hardware part, we just require an 8 GB RAM CPU on the manufacturer or the admin or the my part to make the module run. And on the user part, just needs a smartphone to put the API and get the call. To bring it all together, the system is pretty stringent and divided into separate modules. At 7 modules, it contains various different facilities with each linked to each other, not in a circular manner, so that fall of one or failure of one doesn't necessarily mean the whole app should crash. But yes, it is kind of independent and dependent at the very same time. It has own security modules and it's dependent on cloud, which makes us crash free. To conclude, MediAssist aims to make healthcare accessible anytime, anywhere, and as you say, access to essential healthcare and basic healthcare should be universal and it's a right. So in the modern day scenario, when internet is a viable source, I think telemedicine is the go for answer, and that's the thing that bridges the gap. That's all. Thank you. This is Ajit Panda.